So, I'm driving on the Canadian side, the other side of them hydro lines. That's the US side. Check out that border fence. Oh, yeah. There you go. You need to build a wall between Canada and the US now. But yeah, there's one of the markers right there. That tells you US Canada. Neat, eh? And this is 0 Avenue. Out in good old Abbotsford, BC. This is kind of a nice drive out of Chilliwack, headed east. It's running alongside of one of these sloughs, spelled S-L-O-U-G-H. Spells slough. Don't ask. Harrison Hot Springs. Oh, this is a neat road going north of Harrison Hot Springs. Going along the lake. Man, oh man, what a beautiful view. Windy, twisty. Woo! Whoa! The downhill. Zing! Man, it's just so gorgeous out here. Wow. Sasquatch. Really? 400 meters. Alright. Whoa, say. Okay. Means there's some logging roads up here. Yeah, I know. Found me another logging road. This one is active. Should be fun. And we're off. It's still paved here. Turns to gravel. Sasquatch Provincial Park, which is closed. Walk there. Yield to all logging trucks, and trust me, you wanna. Because if you don't, They're not moving over for you because they can't. They don't have the space. So, attention all traffic. So keep your eyes peeled. Fuck, that's just way too close, man. Here comes, wow, 2 in a row. Shit, eh? That's why you keep an eye open. There's no way those guys can slow down on these big grades. Not much room, is there? Nope. Okay, don't see one. I think we're safe. Oh, and if you happen to be on one of these logging roads, don't park in the pullout, because people need that to get out of the way of the logging trucks. I'm going to stop here, do some adjusting, but other than that, oh, shit. I did. I just couldn't see. I was looking for one of the pullouts.
Yeah, no, it's all good. Couple pickups coming now. It's good for there. They like the whole
Okay.
pretty good.
Where do you get the radios, the two-way radios?
That's a good question. I think there's a place in Lipton that you can get them.
Okay.
So,
Does the source supply stuff like that as well?
you might be able to get a scanner from them.
Oh, okay. All right. Sorry about getting in the way, but all right. Thanks.
Yeah, good day, bud.
Yeah, you too. You see what I mean? I can't afford the two-way radio they have for this shit. So, at least with a scanner, try to take up as little room as possible. Alright. Actually, it's time to give the green turd a rest. Green 32 a rest. So, wow. Is it worth the risks? Yeah, sorta. I don't know. What do you think? So yeah, note to self. If we can't afford the two-way, at least get a scanner. And then that way I can tune into it and I'll know where the trucks are. You know? So, but yeah. Is that gorgeous or what? What a place. Good old British Columbia. Yeah, the radios are like $700 friggin' dollars. So, just for the radio. I think you have to pay extra for all the crap. You know. Check it out. Let's see if I can get to this mark. Alright, it's working. That water is falling a long, long ways. Don't know if it actually would have happened or not, but if you look at that car, how squishy it is up front and the roof down, I wonder if this dude got in the way of one of the logging trucks coming down. Ooh, that would not be good.